Hello everyone, it's me Louie Corpuz, Baguio Paparazzi. Good evening. We're gonna walk again at night, so let's go. Have a blessed evening everyone. More blessings to you and your family. Let's go. Okay, we passed the shortcut. We're gonna walk home to Camp Allen. We have the food. So here. We have Mama's home cook afritada. Ooh. But we're gonna walk. It's home cook afritada of Mama. This is Lower Quarry going to City Camp. Look at the moon. Okay, so we are now in City Camp. This is the City Camp. Barangay Hall, it's big. And there's a spa. And that's Mutchopan. So we're buying. Unfortunately, it's closed. Pandesal. And they have the pianono. It's delicious. There's also this Visita Highland Inn. Look at the moon right there. So big. Walking. There, look at the full moon. There, that's the super full moon, no? We are now in Legarda. Okay, hello everyone. We are now in there's a BDO bank there, Legarda Insular. I feel like I want to go up in the overpass. Look at the moon. Ooh. So big. Let's go up. Baguio City Hall. Baguio City Hall. So we're still walking with our Mama's Afritada. This is Josefa Carino Elementary School. We'll try to pass by here. Baguio City Hall. And that, it's blue. Still Baguio City Hall, and that right there is the Baguio Fire Station, and this is Bulwagan ng Katarungan. They're making it, they're refurbishing it or renovating. It's very nice. Oh, look at that again, is the super moon. The super moon. I enjoy walking. I only drive when I'm with my wife or my kids. But when I'm alone, I just walk. Look at that old Filipino jeep. Fire truck, Baguio's bravest. So we're already here in Camp Allen. Allen waiting shed. There's also a, what's that? Excavator. It's like an excavator loader. They're fixing the road. Loader excavator. So we're just gonna rest here. So we're gonna go up. So we are now here in Camp Allen. We're just gonna go up, walk up again. We're just resting with my mama's home cook, afritada. Okay, let's start walking again. Walking up. That right there is SM Baguio. This is Santo Niño Chapel here in Camp Allen. So this is, we're gonna walk up again. It's nice. It's windy today. Enjoy walking. They already have the Christmas decorations. I wish all of you more blessings to you and your family. Life is not easy right now. So, but we can all go through that and succeed. We're still going up. So that is SM Baguio. Gonna show you later. That's SM Baguio. Looks like a ship. That's SM Baguio. So let's keep walking home. We're still going up. So thank you for joining me. Have a blessed evening. More blessings to all of us, to you and your family. Thank you for subscribing and watching. It's me, Louis Corpus. More blessings to all of us. Okay, we're home. This is it. Superior Afritada Daddy Meal.